Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make these DIY autumn candles. You can also find the tutorial as usual on the blog lookwhatimade.com. Here's what you need. Normal candles, wax candles of course, dried leaves, tweezers, baking paper and an iron. This is what you need to do. Place the dried leaves on the candle. Once you're satisfied with the look, place the baking paper on top and iron it on low heat. The ironing will soften the wax and stick the leaves to the candle. And this is what it looks like once you're done. You can also use fern or other kinds of leaves, and voila, you just made your autumn inspired candles.